I'm out for another neighborhood ride. Today I wanted to clarify some myths that are out there. And one of the myths is, oh, it's always beautiful in Hawaii. It's always blue skies. Well, no, it's not. We get clouds, we get rains, we get winds, and all kinds of weather. Of course, we like that rain because it makes everything green. So let's remember that. It's not always beautiful, gorgeous day, and I wanted to show you that. And the other myth that I want to, or question people ask, why does Bob wear such flamboyant clothing? Well, if you were riding on Cam Highway all the time, you would certainly want these people to see you. So that's why I wear, oh my gosh, the bright colors. Look at all these guys. They all want to run me over. Oh boy. Now I have to, there's no shoulder here, so these guys can pass me anyway, even on the bridge. So that's why I wear the bright colors. I want everybody to see me. Or I could just go over this way and go over to the bike lane. Oh, yes. I can't wait. Here I am, back on the bike lane. So there's all kinds of ways to brighten yourself up, like put flashers on, put a nice flag up. But wearing bright colors is really important, and so I would recommend it for everybody. Shine bright till the day is done. Shine bright till the day is gone. Okay, it's Batman to the rescue. What? Batman on the Bat Trike. You!